The Mike Hosking Breakfast, 6 to 9 weekdays on Newstalk ZB.
G'day there, here's a lineup for you. Alex Salmon, the former head of Scotland. Dame Nolene Taurua and Susie Wiles, as in the microbiologist. Now, the Salmon family is reported this week to want their estate made bankrupt. It comes out of a judicial review over the handling of a couple of complaints against him by civil servants that turned out to be tainted. In other words, what happened was his defence was successful, but the cost of winning that particular case proved far too high, so they're chasing some bankruptcy. Nolene, now I got no idea what her lawyers cost, but you would hope as part of that particular deal she gets the bill covered, but somehow I doubt it. And then Susie Wiles, who you may remember took her employer, the Auckland University, to court and won. She took mediation, arbitration, back and forth it went. Eventually it ended up in court, and the ruling was in her favour. During COVID, she was harassed. Basically, she claimed her employer should have done more to protect her. She has now launched a crowdfunding page to help her pay her bills. Now, the commonality here is all three appear to be on the right side of this. They have been wrong, they have had to defend themselves, and yet all three appear to be out of pocket for the experience. Wiles has spent thousands, hundreds of thousands of dollars. She's taken out loans. Her and her husband have taken out loans. She's won, but she's paying off loans. Inherently here is a fault, I would have thought, in the law. The costs, even when awarded your way, will never cover the bill. So my question is, why not? Is justice really served or seen to be done if you can be victorious, if you can defend your name, your honour, your reputation, and still go broke? Doesn't that mean the deepest pockets is always going to triumph? The state v. Salmon, a sport via coach, a university via microbiologist. It's one thing to settle. Yes, it saves court time, of course, but do you settle because you'll be broke if you don't? Is being broke and right worth it? Is launching a crowdfunding bid acceptable when you didn't do anything wrong? Is the justice system serving us properly when even the victorious and the validated aren't really the winners?
The Mike Hosking Breakfast, 6 to 9 weekdays on Newstalk ZB.